Hey homeowners! Hope everyone's having a productive day. Welcome to another episode of MF Home TV. Now, because of the changes brought about by the pandemic, there is an increasing number of individuals working from home. Now here in Mandawi Foam, we know very well the challenges of those working remotely from home. One of which is to find a suitable working space for you to increase and maximize your work productivity. Now, we've often tackled this in our past episodes, but for this particular video, let's be specific about it. Let's give you ways on how to add an office nook in your home where you think there's no more space already available for it. First off, find the right location. Dapat, if possible, may natural lighting and of course the quiet area in your home. Also, consider the unused corners, alcoves, or even the underutilized spaces. Just an important reminder, make sure that the location that you've chosen has an easy access to power supply. Now, measure the available area and consider the dimensions of your desk, chair, and any additional furniture or equipment you plan to include. Make sure also that there's enough space for easy movement and of course proper ergonomic setup. Opt for a desk that fits your space and work requirements. Compact desks, well-mounted desks, or corner desks can be excellent choices for small office nooks. Consider a desk with storage options to keep your supplies organized. Now for your chair. Choose an ergonomic chair that provides proper support and promotes good posture. Comfort is very important, especially for long hours of working, to prevent injuries and possible strains. Now, aside from your office desk or a comfy office chair, it's also important to put in proper storage solutions for you to have a well-organized and clutter-free workspace. Use wall-mounted shelves above your desk or anywhere around your office nook to store books, files, and other frequently used items. Filing cabinets are great for storing important documents, paperwork, and files. Choose a cabinet with multiple drawers and consider labeling or categorizing them for easy retrieval. If you have a collection of books, reference materials, or decorative items, bookcases or bookshelves can be a stylish and functional storage solution. You can check out all the items I've mentioned through www.mandawifoam.ph, or you can visit any of our Mandawi Foam showroom for you to personally check out all of these items. Make sure to position your table near a window to maximize natural light. Supplement it with a desk lamp to ensure adequate illumination for focused work. Now, if your home environment tends to be a little bit too noisy, consider putting in dividers or even acoustic panels to drown out the noise and make it a workable environment. Alternatively, you can reduce echo and background noise by placing rugs, curtains, or other soft furnishings in your office nook. One of the challenges for those who are working remotely from home and oftentimes have been the problem is when they cannot separate their personal life and their work life. You need to have a dedicated mindset. Give your 100% focus and give a specific time frame or schedule for your work hours for you to be able to create lesser distractions in your workspace. Always remember that our primary focus or primary goal is for you to locate that perfect office nook or workspace according to your needs and preferences. So don't hesitate to experiment, look for other options, look for other locations until you find that suitable and perfect workspace for you. There you have it, homeowners. I hope through this video you'll be able to create your own workspace for a more focused, dedicated, and of course, productive home environment. Of course, don't forget to follow us, subscribe, like on our channel for more of these tips, and don't forget to follow and like us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Till next time, homeowners. See you. Bye. Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winners. This week's prize.